Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ankita and Kunj World, and my name is Kunj Patel and I am 10 years old, and today I am going to show you one easy experiment to do at home. So first of all you need matchbox or lighter, water, transparent glass, watercolor, a brush, a dish and a big candle. And I didn't took the big candle because I have small candle only. I already stick the candle with the plate for saving the time. So let's start the experiment. So first of all you need to pour some water in the plate. And now make it colorful with the help of watercolors. And here I am choosing the orange color. You can choose any color you want. So you can see the color of water have changed. So now we have to light the candle carefully. So you can see the candle is lighting. So you have to be very careful. Hope you do not burn. Now let's see the magic in 3, 2, 1. So you can see the water went into the glass. You know why? Because the fire needs oxygen for burning. So do you like this experiment? Please subscribe my channel.